Today we're making zucchini bread, and if you're growing it in the garden, you might have a ton of zucchini that you need to do something with this season. So what you need to do first is take your food processor and put it with the shredding blade, and I like to make sure you have the small shredding blade selected. Zucchini bread is a quick bread, and that means that you throw everything in a bowl and just stir it together. So start with the dry ingredients, the flour, the baking soda and the salt, and the sugar. Whenever you work with baking soda, you want to make sure it's evenly dispersed. So just whisk in the baking soda, make sure it's all spread out evenly. You don't want to bite into a lump of that. All right, and add in everything else. So you have a cup of shredded zucchini, 1 stick of melted butter, 2 eggs, sour cream and vanilla. Just stir everything in. So take a loaf pan, make sure it's been sprayed with nonstick baking spray, and put your batter right into it. So then you're just gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about an hour. After an hour and 5 minutes, it's all done. And if you want to test for doneness, you can press on it and it should feel like a sponge, nice and firm, or you can poke it, and if it comes out clean, it's done. So let this cool in the pan for a couple minutes and then you'll turn it. So after it's cooled just enough to handle, a couple minutes, go ahead and flip it out. And let it cool the rest of the way out of the pan. But there you have it, zucchini bread. It's easy, and I think you'll like it.